honing and paring down. Autumn is a time when the energy of the season supports us to hone, refine, and pare down. I may lose a relationship that I cared about, or a job opportunity, or an angora hat that my son accidentally ruined by putting it through the laundry. In the autumn especially, with every loss, I take on the practice of saying, in light of this loss, I now know that I love and value. Fill in the blank. What will you say? Perhaps at first will appear to be something specific. I now know that I love and value this person in my life, or this angora hat. Okay, but why? What about this person? What was so great about this hat? Pare it down to the essences. In light of this loss, what do I now know that I love and value? Cut it even finer and even finer. Maybe you began with losing a job, but soon you discover that the reason why it hurt to lose the job is because you value making a positive impact in the world, or having a real team of colleagues, or being able to live without a car. When you know this, you are open to a valuing beyond the valuing of just this job. You are opening to the value and beauty of all means of making a positive impact in the world, of having a real team of colleagues, not having a car, and so on. Well, cut it even finer. What do you value about not having a car? About having a team? About making a positive impact on the world? It's like going from having lots of chickens and cows that you drive to market to having money in a bag that you can easily carry everywhere. Once I know what my values are, not just examples of what I value, but the actual values themselves, that's the opening into a bigger space, because those values carry me into realms way beyond the specifics of what I lost. Whatever you lost isn't here, but the value of it is still here. When it goes, what you valued about it does not go. Extract the precious like gold. You can't keep a beautiful thing that is gone, but you can keep the beauty of it in such a way that it awakens you to more of the same beauty in other places. That's the opening. In light of these experiences, I now know that I love and value. Fill in the blank. Tremendous redemption, even of great pain and loss, begins with these words. Although this practice doesn't have to be limited to the experience of loss, it can be any experience at all. When it is loss, it is most urgent, because we are tempted to cling to the thing we lost. But we can't, any more than we can cling to the air when it's time to exhale. Instead, we can and must cling to the preciousness within the air. In East Asian medicine, what we value about the air we breathe is the yang-qi of heaven that it contains, while to us Westerners it's the oxygen. When we let go of the air, there is something precious within the air that we keep. We cling to the precious and take it in and make it part of ourselves, even as we let go of our breath. What we must cling to is what we love and value about the air, the life experience, the angora hat, because that is the transferable coin, the true wealth with which we walk away from every breath, every life experience, everything that touches us as precious. Make a list and name names. Why am I crying? Name the beauty Name the values. Name what is precious to you that is highlighted by this loss. In the light of these experiences, I now realize that I love and value. Fill in the blank. Once we have this list, even if it is incomplete, we can also begin gently exploring the next phase of metal work. How am I fostering and embodying these values in my life? Sometimes it's through direct embodiment. Sometimes it's through active appreciation of these qualities when they appear in others or in our world. And often it's through artistic expression. How can I presence these values? Through a poem, a drawing, a collage, music, dance. It's such a deep nourishment for our spirit to make art that reflects our attempt to capture something eternal that we consider to be vitally important in life. Can we make a small statue of kindness, a dance of beauty, a photo of deep connection, a collage of integrity? If you were to capture what you value with an image or other representation, what would it be like? Of course it will not be perfect. All we ask of art is that it evokes something heavenly, something essential, something forever beyond something forever beyond our ability to embody it fully, but always able to inspire us to try. Sometimes the answer to these questions of deeper value is, I don't know. Metal takes us down into water's depths to sit in silence for a time, unsure of anything except my own foundations, which are stronger now because I am sitting in the dark with what I value. After a time in the dark comes wood and springtime, and a movement forward into new life, powered by the urge to grow and foster what I know that I love and value. Thus metal feeds water and wood, and beyond to the joy of fire and Earth's next harvest.